By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get to 100,000 per month with your home improvement business, and this completely step by step. Now, before we get into the video, my name is Anthony, and I've personally grown and scaled over 40 different home improvement businesses and added six figures to their monthly revenue. Now, here are some of our clients that we've scaled and worked with. This is John. He went from 33,000 a month to 77,000 a month in just 150 days. Tiddy went from 12,000 a month to 82,000 a month in less than 6 months. Some went from 7,000 a month to 62,000 a month in just under 90 days. Alan went from 12k a month to 58,000 a month. And Roman went from absolutely nothing to 36,000 a month. These here are also this is also Daniel. This is our Facebook ad system in place in his business. We put it into his business and yeah, got him a lot of leads, a lot of job opportunities, and he was very happy with that. These are some of our clients' revenue, monthly revenue, some of these are, and 500,000, 100,000, 400,000 again, 300,000, all six figures, all 100,000 plus. And this is how they do it. So this is completely step by step of how to get your home improvement business to 100,000 per month and beyond that. Now, step one is to set your revenue goal. Now, the key points in this are establish your monthly revenue goal. Now, this could be 100k, but if you are at only 10,000 per month, don't make it 100k. Make it 25k or maybe 30k, but don't push too far, because scaling to 10k, scaling from 10k to 20k and 50k to 100k are completely different things. So set your monthly revenue goal, break them into smaller chunks and understand how many sales, how many jobs you need to hit your revenue goal. Understand how many you actually need, because this will come in handy when creating all your systems and everything like that. So step two is creating an acquisition system. Now, the objective of this is to build a consistent flow of leads to support your revenue goal. Basically, a consistent flow of jobs coming into your business, and you can basically reach your revenue goal by having that acquisition system in place. So the key points of this are adding an acquisition channel to your business, upgrading your existing acquisition channels, and creating systems around them. So adding an acquisition channel, this can be paid advertising. Upgrading one, you most likely have referrals inside of your business. If so, you can upgrade it, and this you can do it by creating a system around it. That is how you essentially upgrade it. Now, step three is to optimize your sales process. Now, once you've done all the acquisition system, you obviously have all the leads now. You have all those jobs, essentially, those potential jobs, but you still need to close them. So you want to optimize your sales process as part of step three. Now, here is the objective of it is to improve your sales conversion rate. So all the leads in the world are nothing if you cannot close them, right? So the key points of this is to create a systemized sales process. Now, the sales process starts from the second you have contact with the lead. It's not just that one conversation you have, after you've just done the quote. It's from the beginning, right? It's from when you first get their phone number, you first get their name. That is when it starts. All those automations, all that lead nurturing, that is part of the sales system. So you want to systemize that essentially. You want to track conversion rates, you want to improve your sales pitch, and as a last thing, you want to learn. You want to learn sales. And we have an in-depth video on sales if you do want to check that out. But do be learning sales, because and you will fail, right? You will fail in terms of not closing them. However, you can learn from every failure, obviously, right? Why didn't I close that prospect, right? Why did they not turn into a job? Learn sales because it will improve your conversion rates, which is just more jobs for your business. Step 4 is to scale your operations. So the objective of this is to ensure your business can handle all the jobs physically, right? Now you've created your acquisition process, you've optimized your sales process so you can actually have all of those jobs. And now you have all those jobs inside of your business, but you need to be able to handle that, right? You can 100 jobs is all well, right? But you can't actually handle 100 jobs. So you do want to basically scale your operations, scale, operations by having another team in another location or anything like that, right? And that can ensure you have enough to handle all the jobs. Now, key points of this are improving project management. So hire more staff, having a better software to automate things, etc. Automating repetitive tasks that you don't need to basically do yourself, follow-ups, invoicing, etc. And systemizing your business. Yeah. Step 5 is to measure and improve. Now you've done all these things, and essentially that's basically the backbone of everything. Now the only step left is to improve upon it, because you've added all you can. Now you need to improve it and make it as good as possible, essentially. So the objective of this is to continuously monitor it all and basically adjust it to how it's performing. If one thing's performing well, then you obviously want to replicate that. If one thing isn't performing well, you have to essentially improve upon that or change it or remove it, right? And the key points of this are to track KPIs, revenue, profit margins, acquisition costs for your clients, run A/B tests on marketing, sales, basically anything, and adjusting operations and systems based on performance metrics. So the steps are goal setting, lead generation, sales optimization, scaling operations, and performance measurement. And this is how our clients end up scaling to, as you saw those numbers in the beginning of the video, 400,000 per month, 100,000 per month plus. This is how you do it, by basically this 5-step process. And obviously it's a bit more complicated than just 5 simple steps. It's obviously more in depth into each separate things, but this is kind of the backbone and essentially the main thing of it. But yeah, that is it for this video. And you do want to follow those 5 steps and not miss any of them out. Because if you miss scaling your operations, then you can't handle the jobs. If you miss sales process, then you can't close any deals. If you miss the acquisition system, then you're not going to get any actual leads in. You're not going to get any jobs from, acquisition systems. So do have all the steps and everything like that, and you will be able to scale to 100,000 per month with your home improvement business. Now, again, that is it for this video. If you are stuck in your business or having a dry season, for example, because you're only relying on referrals, you can do one of two things. You could either go on a YouTube channel, and there's a bunch of videos there, basically why you should rely on referrals, adding systems into your business, and you can implement that into your business basically today. And yeah, scale your business. If not, you can book a call and we can basically give you a customized game plan. Also partner with you if you wish. But yeah, that's for free. Obviously, if we were to give you free advice, all for free, we obviously want to help you out here. That's why I'm making these videos, right? But yeah, that is it for this video.